Let's make delicious and perfectly elastic pancakes. We'll start with 150 grams of flour, followed by 2 eggs. Next, pour in 160 milliliters of milk and add 30 milliliters of oil. Then add vanilla sugar, regular sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now for the key ingredient, sparkling water. You'll need 150 grams. Pour in the sparkling water and blend everything together thoroughly. Heat a pan, brush it with butter, and cook your pancakes on both sides until golden. This recipe makes enough for 2 portions, perfect for breakfast. Enjoy!